It seems like we have the most listeners we've ever had here already brought to our table are 2 custom Starbucks drinks,
Yep.
a tall espresso for Mark, and a pink drink for me. That's an off-the-menu item. Ask for it by name. That's good pink drink.
Gotta stop.
That's
and
good
play
pink
Matt.
drinks.
This
Who brought us
gentleman-
these pink drinks?
Matt, this was David, our
And
fan.
David is a friend of the
He's
show.
a friend of the show. He's been here many times. Matt
Made some
look
wonderful
what's happening.
videos. Uh-oh, it's time for Free Throw Scriptures. They're making out over there.
Oh man,
All right, these 2 over here.
some sweet action.
Look at those 2 over there. Huh? Okay.
Okay. There's a lot of
okay.
Matt is doing obscene gestures with his hands, and I do mean
That was my
gestures.
first improv group.
The obscene gestures.
No, but it could have been if
Should have been.
if God wasn't looking out for me.